If you have a WordPress website, it's essential to create regular backups in case something goes wrong. But when it comes to choosing a WordPress backup plugin, there's so many options to choose from. What features should you look for? Should you get a free or paid plugin? Which plugin should you get? If these questions are on your mind, then you're in luck because in this video, I'll show you my top picks for the best WordPress backup plugins. Hi, I'm Yas from the Brainstorm Force team, creators of the most popular WordPress theme in the world, Astra. And on our channel, we create WordPress tutorials for beginners and non-coders. So if you want to improve your WordPress skills, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on your notifications. And if you're ready, let's get started with my first recommendation. Our list of best backup plugins has to start with Updraft Plus. It's a highly reliable backup plugin, and what's great about it is that it comes with a lot of features in just the free version alone. To back up your WordPress website, you can simply click on the big button on the Updraft Plus Backups menu, and this will do a complete backup of your website immediately and provide you with buttons to download the backup files directly onto your computer. Alternatively, you can also connect to a huge range of cloud storage solutions from the list here, and it will seamlessly store your backups on there for you. You can even schedule your backups with plenty of timing options. You can even back up your files and database at independent times, and you can choose how many backups of each plugin that you can retain. Restoring your backups is super simple too. You can just upload your backup files onto Updraft Plus manually, or you can even choose a backup from an online storage solution if you've gone with that option. Then you just press on the restore button and watch it load up your backup. And with the premium version, you have the ability to migrate and clone your website. You can also create more complex backup schedules and even create incremental backups too. And on top of that, there are a whole lot more additional features with the Pro version of Updraft Plus, but I like the plugin because it's very reliable and does everything really well. If you want to find out more about Updraft Plus and learn about all the other features, you can check it out in the description below. Next up is BackWPUp. This is another highly rated backup plugin, and I had a very good experience using it. This plugin works by creating backup jobs in the plugin that will go ahead and create the backups for you. Whether you want to create an immediate backup or scheduled backups, the plugin lets you do that in the free version alone. You also have options to upload your backups to cloud services like Dropbox, S3 service, and more, but there aren't as many options available as, let's say, Updraft Plus. With the Pro version, you'll also get some awesome features like automatic restore, complete database backups, migration, premium support, and a whole lot more additional features. The only concern I have with this plugin though is that it might not be as beginner friendly as some of the other options in this video. Otherwise, it's a very solid backup plugin. You can check it out through the link in the description below. Next, as number 3, we have WPVivid. And this one is one I have used time and time again due to how reliable and easy it is to use. It has all the features that a great backup plugin should. On the main menu for the plugin, you can click the big Backup Now button to create an immediate backup. You have options to choose exactly what to backup and where you store that backup as well. This includes several remote storage options such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. Scheduling is also possible with WPVivid with a decent selection of timing options available in the free version. Along with the backup capabilities, this plugin also features a basic migration tool as well. Restoring your backups is very easy with WPVivid. You can simply upload or scan for backups on your cloud storage and then press the restore button right here. It's as easy as that, and in the Pro version, you have even more control of how you create your backups. You have more scheduling options, you have incremental backups available, as well as advanced migration too. You can learn more about WPVivid through the link in the description below. Last but not least is backup and migration. This one is probably the most beginner-friendly one in this list because of its extremely simple interface. We have big buttons to help us configure and create our backups with ease. Just press the big green button and you're good to go. Then if you want to restore your backup, it's really easy to do that as well. All you have to do is just click on the restore button on the backup file you choose. You can also schedule automatic backups, and you can specify the exact time down to the minute for when your backup will be created. And just like the name Backup and Migration suggests, in the free version you also have a cool, super simple migration feature too. However, with this plugin, we're still waiting for some additional features to roll out in the Pro version. Features like cloud storage, encryption, unlimited size, and more. These features are all coming soon right now, but this plugin is still an option I would recommend if you're looking for a plugin that's simple to use and is great at creating backups. And that rounds off our video. Comment down below and let me know which backup plugin you'll be testing on your WordPress website. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like down below. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on our logo over here. And you can watch even more of our WordPress content by clicking over here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.